Let's dive into an easy way to crop your videos like a pro using Wondershare Filmora X. To crop a video in Wondershare Filmora X, start by dragging your video into the timeline. Select the clip you want to crop and click the crop icon above the timeline. In the cropping window, ensure the Crop tab is selected. Then select Custom Aspect Ratio from the drop-down menu. Then drag the edges or corners of the bounding box to adjust the area you want to keep, and reposition it as needed. You can also select various aspect ratio from the drop-down menu, which we have discussed in our previous video. Preview your adjustments in the same window, and once satisfied, click OK to apply the crop. This ensures your cropped video is ready for use on your desired platform.